Hi boys and girls, happy Monday. Hope you had a great weekend. We are going to do our phonics lesson. And our phonics this week looks a little bit different. We have some things that have changed a little, so make sure you're listening carefully to the directions for each section, okay? So our first one is rhyming. And I know in the past you have just repeated rhyming words. This time, some of the words are going to rhyme and some of them are not going to rhyme. So after you repeat the words after me, you're going to give me a thumbs up if it does rhyme and a thumbs down if it doesn't rhyme. All right, let's get started. Cat, mat. Thumbs up, that's right, it rhymes. Cow, now. You got it. Neck, fan. Nope, that doesn't rhyme. Sing, king. Love, down. Doesn't rhyme. Good job. All right, our next one is our onset fluency. This is where I'm going to say a word and then the first sound in the word, then you're going to repeat. Cat, k. Mat, Fiddle, f. Spoon, s. Like, oh. Great. All right, our next one is blending words. So you're going to repeat each part after me, and then we're going to clap the word together, so you say it with me. Our first word, rain, bow, rainbow. Key, board, keyboard. Good, night, good night. Pan, cake, pancake. Star, fish, starfish. Awesome. Next one is new. This is called isolating medial sounds, and we're going to make a roller coaster with our hand. So we're going to say a word. So the first word is cat. And what we're going to do is the bottom of the roller coaster is the first sound. The top of the roller coaster is the middle sound. And then the bottom, again, is the last sound. So we're going to listen to the word cat on the roller coaster, and you're going to see if you can hear what that middle sound is. Ready? Cat. K-at. Middle sound is ah. Very good. All right, so we're going to try that. You are going to do the roller coaster with me, and then you're going to see if you can say what that middle sound is. All right? Here's our word. Man. Do it with me. Middle sound. Ah, you got it. Next one. Sag. Ag. Middle sound. Ah. Rat. At. Middle sound. Ah. Good. And the last one. Dad. D-ad. Middle sound. Ah. You got it. That was a fun roller coaster. All right, our next one is pretty familiar to us. We're going to use our choppers. This is segmenting words. We're going to be working with compound words today. So I'm going to say a whole word and then break it into two pieces. I'll go first and then you repeat. Nickname, nickname. Sunset, sunset. Inside, inside. Teapot, teapot. Storybook, storybook. Very good. We're going to be adding words now, so you need 2 hands. We're going to start with a piece, and then we're going to add another piece. So we're going to start, and you're going to repeat after me for each part. So your word is way. Add door. Doorway. Good job. Not. Add can. Cannot. Box. Add mail. Mailbox. Man. Add snow. Snowman. Box. Add sand. Sandbox. And the last one, bag. Add hand. Handbag. Very good. All right, next one, we are going to delete. So you're going to delete part of a compound word. So in your hands, you're going to hold the word bedroom. Without room, what's left is bed. Sidewalk. Without walk, what's left is side. Moonlight. Without light, what's left is moon. Sandbox. Without box, what's left is sand. Birthday. Without day, what's left is birth. Great. All right, and then we are going to do another rhyme today. So I'm just going to tell you the first line, then we'll continue the rest of the week. So I'll say it and then you repeat. Hey, diddle diddle. And that's it. Hope you have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.